आज मैं आपको कैलकुलेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कैसे हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं उसके विषय में बताऊंगा। केस 1, नो इंटरेस्ट इज अलाउड ऑन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अनलेस इट इज एक्सप्रेसली एग्रीड अमंग द पार्टनर्स। क्वेश्चन हमने बनाया वाई एंड के आर पार्टनर्स शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेस इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:2 एंड हैविंग कैपिटल ₹2 lakh and ₹1,50,000 respectively. Net profit during the year 2019-20 was ₹50,000. The partnership deed is silent as to the payment of interest on capital. आंसर है इसका, in this case no interest will be paid on the partner's capital since the partnership deed is silent as to the payment of interest on capital. The whole amount of net profit ₹50,000 will be distributed in the ratio 3:2. Y get ₹30,000 and K get ₹20,000 respectively. प्रॉफिट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया हमने y इजिकल टू 50,000 को 3/5 इजिकल टू 30,000 एंड k इजिकल टू 50,000 2/5 इजिकल टू 20,000. इनका जो रेशियो था 3:2 था. केस सेकंड, द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज अलाउड ओनली when the firm has earned profit during the accounting year. Hence, no interest on capital will be allowed during the year if the firm has incurred net loss. K and B are partners sharing profit equally and having capital of ₹2 lakh and ₹5 lakh respectively. Interest on capital is provided at the rate 8% per annum and the firm incurred a loss of ₹10,000 during the year. Solution: in this case, no interest on capital will be allowed to any partner since the firm has incurred losses during the accounting year. The firm's loss of ₹10,000 will, however, be shared by the partner in their profit sharing ratio, ₹5,000 each. Loss distributed equally because profit sharing ratio are equal. Case 3. When the partnership deeds specifically provide for interest on capital, it is credited to the partners at the agreed rate with reference to the time period for which the capital remain in business during a financial year. Question है, R, L and V entered into partnership bringing in ₹3 lakh, ₹2 lakh and ₹1 lakh respectively into the business. They decided to share profit and losses equally and agreed that interest on capital will be provided to the partners at the rate 10% per annum. There was no addition or withdrawal of capital by any partner during the year. Net profit during the year ending 31st March 2020 was ₹1,50,000. In this case, calculate interest on capital and profit distributed equally among the partners without गिविंग रेशियो और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस शेयर. उसके आगे मैंने इसे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाया से भाई नेट प्रॉफिट लिखा 1,20,000, फिर हमने टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कैट का R 30,000 L 20,000 B 10,000 कैट का टोटल 60,000. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस जो बचा 90,000 टू प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू R 1/3 तीनों में लिया R L में और 30 तीनों का बराबर पूरा हमने इसे सॉल्व कर लिया, इक्वल बना दिया हमने इसे. उसके बाद केस 4 है, if in a year the net profit is less than the amount due to the partners as interest on capital, the payment of interest on capital will be restricted to the amount of profit. In that case, the profit will be effectively distributed in the ratio of interest on capital of each partner. S and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Their capital account showed balances of ₹1,50,000 and ₹2 lakh respectively on 1st January 2020. The partnership deed provide for interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum and the firm earned a profit of ₹14,000 during the year. Answer है, as the profit for the year is ₹14,000 which is less than the amount of interest on capital due to partners ₹28,000. Interest will be paid to the extent of available profit ₹40,000. S and Y will get profit in the ratio of interest on capital ₹12,000 ratio 16,000 12:16 3:4 that is 3/7 ratio 4/7. इसी को मैंने प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट बनाया हुआ. नेट प्रॉफिट 14,000 हमारे पास नेट प्रॉफिट था. टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एस का हमने निकाला तो 12,000 आया, वाई का हमने निकाला तो आया 16,000. दोनों का टोटल हमारे पास 28,000 आया. इसको हमने इनके रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया क्योंकि प्रॉफिट हमारे पास कम है, इंटरेस्ट कैपिटल को उसी रेशियो में दिया जाएगा. तो एस को दिया 14,000 इंटू 3/7 जो इनका रेशियो 6,000 और ये वाई को दिएगा 40,000 इंटू 4/7 8,000. टोटल इस तरह से हमने इसे कैलकुलेट किया है.